Thousands of years ago, the Mayans and Aztecs were the first to use the seeds of the cacao tree to make chocolate. Back then, chocolate was consumed as a drink. It was not until about 150 years ago that we discovered how to make solid chocolate, and thus chocolate bars and bonbons. Did you know that chocolate is made from cacao tree seeds? The cacao tree grows in tropical areas and produces large and elongated fruits. Within these fruits are the seeds used to make chocolate. Collect the cocoa fruit and extract the seeds. After the seeds are taken from inside the cacao tree fruit, they're left to ferment for a few days in wooden containers. Once the fermentation process is finished, the seeds are left to dry in the sun. When they're completely dry, they're ready to be transported to factories around the world where chocolate is made. Spread the cocoa beans so they can be dried in the sun. Once in the factory, cacao beans are roasted in large ovens and special machines. The beans are then opened and the skin and impurities are removed.
Bye.
the impurities and shells from the cocoa beans. With a special mill called a refiner, chocolate seeds are crushed and heated for hours to become a liquid paste called cocoa liqueur. We've already achieved pure chocolate. Then you can extract or add cocoa butter to vary the texture, or add other ingredients such as sugar, milk powder, nuts, and more. The last step is to temper the chocolate. This consists of heating, cooling, and reheating the chocolate at controlled temperatures to achieve the final texture sought by the manufacturer. Once the chocolate is made, we can put it in molds to make tablets, chocolates, or whatever we want. Yum! Delicious! Make the chocolate temper and fill the molds.